Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Grasshopper in the Rain. And this is the painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Cindy Perry. I have every now and again a call out for photographs that my Patreon members get to send in. I will select some of them to turn into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you, I will send this original painting off to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in either watching the full-length version of this video and or learning how you could submit your photographs for me to turn into tutorials and learn more about the Patreon membership program as well, because there's a bunch of other painting benefits, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a very cool little insect in the rain. He's not scared of no rain. And I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.